How to convert BTC to USDT in Bitget. So first of all, open your Bitget application. Then you're going to be heading over to your convert options. You can see we have multiple options here to choose from, and to convert, of course, we're going to be needing to search for convert, and that is usually found in assets section. Make sure that you simply deposit and have your account activated, and you will be able to see your convert option. Or what you can do is simply head over to browser of your choice and search in here for Bitget convert. Once you do, you're going to be directed towards their conversion page, and the point to be noted here is that it is going to be free of cost, no fees. And you can see on top we're going to be searching for BTC, at the bottom we're going to be searching for USDT, just like that. And that is how easy it is to convert. You can see the process. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.